Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga with Alicia. I am Alicia and I hope to be your guide through your yoga practice. I want to introduce this series of short videos as being ones that are going to focus on sitting poses, and I'd just like to read a short paragraph regarding the subject. Sitting poses are calming. They remove fatigue, refresh the brain and soothe the nerves, especially the parasympathetic nervous system. They regularise your blood pressure and they can aid recovery from illness. They also promote healthy sleep. Now they fall into two categories, one being that there are upright postures that involve flexing the legs into differing positions, and then there are the forward bends where the trunk bends over the legs. There's also a few things to think about as you practice and even before you practice, and that is to ensure that the space where you're going to practice is clean and warm and somewhere that you won't be disturbed. It's good to also wear nice, loose fitting, comfortable clothing. No belts, buckles or zips, and maybe remove jewellery as well. You can use blocks, straps, blankets, cushions. Have these props around you so that they can help support your practice. Forward bends and seated postures are really quite good as well for if you are coming into pregnancy or indeed already pregnant, as long as you do take care while you practice. There should never be any discomfort. It's about loving yourself as you practice, being gentle and kind, and having the ego to just sit underneath your higher self, your breath. That's the most important part of your practice, to really attune to how you are breathing and to continually strive to lengthen your breaths. Short, shallow breaths often are associated with the nervous system being quite fraught. So when you start to lengthen and deepen your breathing, this helps bring about that lovely sense of calm. So I do hope you enjoy these videos. Please do subscribe to the channel and leave me any comments. If I can be of help during your yoga practice, then I will do my very best for you to assist. Namaste.